Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? This is Elle. Listen, I'm just stopping in for a few quick minutes just to let you know what's going on. So, okay, so I've spent basically the last 15 to 18 hours listing stuff in the shop. I got 48 new listings in there. I have new lace in there. I have new paper pads in there. I have new embellishments in there. I have new ephemera in there. I have Mombi sets in there. I have just everything you can possibly imagine in the shop, all new stuff. Most of it is from my American Crafters Utah Curly Scavenger. Some of it is not. There are some things that I did get on that are not listed yet, but that's been just a time thing. They just don't fit right now. They're like Halloween items, so I want to hold off on those a little bit longer. Just as a forewarning, one of those things is these beautiful little Halloween charms that I got. Fantastic little Halloween charms. I'm going to be putting selections of these in. So let me tell you what some of the things are that went in there today. So one of the things I put in were these 5x7 lace grab bags. Each piece in here, there's a minimum of 12 pieces in each bag, and there is, no piece is shorter than 18 inches. Most pieces are a yard or more. So I've got a bunch of these in there. I think they're like $5-6. I have a bunch of these quick cuts dies in there that I picked up on my Scavenger. I have these beautiful little acrylic flowers. There we go. Those are in there. You get a pack of, I think there's like 50 of them in the pack for like $1. I have those acrylic albums. They got listed while I was putting stuff, photographing and getting stuff in. These Susan Wingate die-cut cardstocks and acetate pieces, 84 pieces in there, that got listed. One of the other things that I listed were these. These came in. This is an assortment of replica vintage bus transfers. That's the word I'm looking for at 3:30 in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 of them. You get, I think, 2 of each in a package. So you get 20 pieces, and I think it's $3. Maybe $2, $3, something like that. But they're really cool. Some of them are double-sided, some of them are single-sided, but they're really cool. So, it's like a bus ticket kind of thing. So those are listed in the shop as well. Now, I did want to apologize in advance. The sale today for the Christmas in July is going to be bigger than normal, so it's going to take longer than normal. But Laura and I will rock through it like we always do. We're going to go as fast as we possibly can without getting, all discombobulated. Amy will be in the room. The Hags will be there. She'll be catching anything that gets past Laura and I. And I think that's about it, guys. It is literally, it's 3:30 in the morning. I am going to go get some sleep. And that way I, talk like a normal person when it's time to get into the sale. I think that's it. So do me a favor if you haven't done so already. Oh, wait a minute. There is one other thing. Don't forget. During the sale today, anytime when you purchase something, anytime during the sale today, see, it's 3:30 in the morning. When you purchase something at any point during the sale today, you will receive a discount code, and that discount code will be good for money off of anything that you purchase in the shop. So all of the new stuff that I just put into the shop, as much as I would like you to go and buy it, I'm going to tell you to wait until after the sale. Because if you purchase something in the sale, then you're going to get a discount code and you're going to save money in the shop. All of the paper pads, the 12x12s and everything, I listed those on Media Mail. So that'll save some money on shipping. So they will ship separately from your other items. See? And as always, any overcharge shipping, because you know how Etsy is, I refund that right back to you. So if it charges you $3 an item to ship stuff and it only cost me $5 to ship your 4 items, you're going to get that refund back, okay? Just a common practice. I didn't earn that money. I don't feel like I'm entitled to it. I don't charge any kind of per invoice list charge or handling fees, or I don't charge you if I help you sell. It's just not the way I work, okay? So, you know, if I don't earn it, I'm not entitled to it. I'm not taking it. So if you do buy something in the shop today and it charges you something a little ridiculous on the shipping, I will, of course, refund that back to you immediately upon shipping your items, okay? So I think that's it, guys. If you haven't done so already at this point, please do me a favor, hit that red button, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And especially today, make sure you share me today, because today is my Christmas in July sale. And it started off with a few items, and now it's a whole lot. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.